As many of you guys may know, I am engaged and currently planning my wedding, so I'm so excited to show you my wedding collection or trio. I reached out to Kimberz Kreations in January and I asked her if she could create dip powders for my wedding, but I also wanted to include them in my bridesmaids' invites to the bridesmaids who do dip powder nails. So I curated special gorgeous little boxes as invites for my bridesmaids, and I included little gifts in them, and I asked them to be my bridesmaids. So that's what this little white box is one of the mock-up designs of the boxes I sent my bridesmaids. So I'm going to show you guys these three colors, and you will be in luck because these will be available for purchase. So Miss to Mrs. is a perfect shimmery light pink. When I asked Kimberz Kreations for a trio and we were thinking of what colors to come up with, I knew that I wanted colors that would make a perfect French or a French ombre, but also that they could be worn alone and be incredibly gorgeous if they were chosen to be worn alone. And here you can totally see the gorgeous shimmer in Miss to Mrs. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. I'm really excited to show you the next color. I knew I didn't want a glitter. I just knew it. So we went with a flaky dip, and this one is called Wedding Cake. It is a custom milky pale pink with chameleon flakes in it. And this one, I swear, it looks great by itself, and it looks incredible in an ombre. Ombre this with the milky white, and you are golden. It's going to be so beautiful. So I slowed this down a little bit so you can see just how gorgeous this flake is, how it catches the light. It is truly stunning and breathtaking. I was wowed when I saw this color, so thank you, Kimber, for truly capturing my vision and my dreams for this wedding trio, and I'm really excited to play with all these and test out different wedding looks. So yeah, be sure to see that coming because I'm definitely going to try out different wedding looks. I Do is a perfect milky white. I knew that I didn't want a stark bright white, but I still wanted something that was bright enough so that if you did either a baby boomer or a French tip mani, it was still very noticeable, but I didn't want a stark white. Stark whites, in my opinion, can be more difficult to work with, so I wanted something that would be a breeze for myself and for my bridesmaids to wear. Mind you, of course, I'm not forcing my bridesmaids to wear any of these colors on my wedding day, but I wanted them to have the option if they all wanted to match. So here is I Do, the perfect milky white. I absolutely love this. And here are all three colors next to each other. And you have I Do, and then Miss to Mrs. and Wedding Cake. So here they all are right next to each other, and I really am happy about how this vision came together and came to life. I'm so glad that Kimber understood the assignment, to say the least, and they're just beautiful. I know it's not a big deal to a lot of people. They probably like, I have a milky white, I have a shimmery pink, probably have a flake in your collection, but I really wanted my own wedding colors. This was something that's very important to me. So I'm going to top coat all of these with a gel top coat, so hopefully you can see the difference between matte and glossy. So I'm going to leave you guys to it just for a little bit, and I'll be back more towards the end. So here are all three colors next to each other, top coated, cured, next to my wall. So my wall is a soft light gray, so hopefully it's picking up the true tones. It definitely looks true to color to me. I absolutely love how this trio turned out. Thank you so much, Kimberz Kreations, for creating this for me, for my bridesmaids, and then now for everyone else, you too can have it as well. And as we're going into wedding season, this couldn't be any more perfect. So this trio is going to be available on May 19th at 5 p.m. Central Time. So if you are interested in purchasing this trio, definitely go buy it at that time, and I'll come back with more nail looks. Bye!